Harold Epps, and I'm the owner and general manager of Orange County-based Sydnee's Pet Grooming. This is pet grooming, and it entails the washing and the grooming of pets, usually dogs. That's the nature of the business, is that we work with retail customers here in Orange County, and we usually have between 15 to 25 animals that might visit us on a daily basis. The typical locations that I prefer, they used to be larger. I used to like them more like 13 to 1,400 square feet in size. Includes a reception area, a grooming area, a bathing area, break room for employees, laundry facilities, restrooms. We've done, with DesignX, we've done 5 projects. I have 6 stores. I've done 5 projects with them and worked with on the architectural plans and working with the city. It's been very helpful, especially for a smaller business. From the very beginning, DesignX has been helpful in many different ways. And that would include both understanding the scope of what we're trying to accomplish or what was required by the cities, translating what that would require, and then being able to communicate to us, what kind of budgets, you might anticipate and what it might look like. Having no experience in building pet salons out, it was quite a difficult learning process, but DesignX helped us figure that out. So what was helpful, DesignX could help anticipate, tell me what to expect. Here's what you might want to say. Here's the things, because we're all trying to get to the same spot. We're trying to get a permitted and approved inspection at the end, right? So that the facility is inspected and everybody is happy. DesignX is really useful. I would call them frequently when I was having issues. Either my contractor's not following the plan the way that we anticipate. There's always those issues. And so I'm trying to, but what the nice thing was is that DesignX was able to anticipate and say, here's a solution. Why don't you talk to your contractor and talk to your city about that? Maybe this would be a nice an alternative method to make the city happy. And I spoke to DesignX many times on 5 different projects of navigating the permitting process. I don't like working with cities in the permitting process. It's necessary, so it made it what could have been a really challenging and difficult situation for me, because I could not have done it on my own. I just could not have. So DesignX is very helpful in helping us work through those challenges. The drawings were perfect and perfect for me. Unfortunately, I would say that some of our contractors aren't always as professional or knowledgeable as others, and so sometimes I had to help them understand this is a plan that's approved by the city, and you have to follow the plans according to the way they're presented to you, and you can't veer from them, right? And so sometimes I did have contractors who struggled with that, but most of the time they appreciated it, because we still had to get to the permitting process, which means in the beginning, maybe some of them struggled with that aspect, but eventually they saw that the plans were detailed. All the information was in there. I used to think that it's not all there and that the contractor was right, there was something, it was always there. You just had to sit and read it. And so at this point, I can read the blueprints and I appreciate them. Absolutely. Oh, absolutely. Had a great experience with DesignX. I wish I could do more stores, and we probably will. I'm just taking a breather right now. Looking backward, I can say that I save a lot of time and money working with DesignX in all aspects, both answering my questions, my late night, early morning questions. They were very helpful in that regard. So thank you.